Hello, Master UV.
Hello,
What are you reading?
I'm reading a Chinese book.
Great. You're reading Chinese book. Do you understand Chinese?
Yes, there's so many pages.
Okay, so I will be giving you a challenge.
Yes.
This is like, you need to tell me the capital of all the states of India.
Yes,
Do you remember?
yes.
Great. So if you win, again, I'm gonna give you a try.
Okay,
And you should score 95% and above.
okay.
So please blindfold yourself. Shall we begin?
Yes,
Please show your ears. Alright. First one, Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat.
Gandhinagar,
Yes, Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Himachal Pradesh, Shimla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Karnataka, Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Odisha, Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Punjab, Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan, Jaipur,
correct, Sikkim,
Gangtok.
great going.
Yes.
Next one is Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Chennai, Telangana,
Telangana. Yes, Telangana, Hyderabad,
okay, Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow,
great, Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand, Dehradun,
West Bengal.
Kolkata.
Okay, now there are 8 union territories.
Okay.
First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands,
Port Blair,
Chandigarh,
Chandigarh,
Dadra and Nagar Haveli,
and Daman and Diu. Yes,
yeah.
Daman,
Correct. Delhi,
New Delhi,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Jammu and Srinagar,
Lakshadweep,
Lakshadweep, Karachi,
yes, Puducherry,
Pondicherry,
say again,
Pondicherry,
correct, Ladakh.
Leh.
Great man, the score is 100%. Here's your gift.
That was so easy.
Yeah, it was so easy, only
5 by 5 Rubik's Cube.
28 states and 8 territories.
Yes.
Great. So you're gonna solve this 5 by 5 cube in the next video. Do you accept the challenge?
Yes.
Show on the camera the cube. Great.
It's mixed.
Okay. Say something to your subscribers.
Friends, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye. Nice.